To replace the chute deflector release lever on your snowblower, use a 3/8" socket to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the deflector and hinge. If still intact, depress the release lever and pull the hinge arm past the lever so you can remove the old lever and springs. You're now ready to install the new deflector release lever. With the hinge arm pulled back, align the new lever along with the springs. Confirm the deflector seal is aligned on the tabs. Now reposition the deflector assembly on the chute and thread the mounting screws. Your snowblower should now be ready for use.